So the first section of the wall is done. I don't really know how I'm going to carry it in. I had to put this little extra piece right here, right there, because my garage floor, and it's hard to see over here. The garage has the cinder block sticks out farther than the drywall, so you'll see when I put it up. It'll make sense, maybe. So the first section is up. This is what that little cutout was for. Apparently I measured it wrong, but who cares? So it looks pretty good. It didn't fit. It was a little tight at the top, but that is why I use one of these. So now I'm going to, I think I'm going to stand the door up here. I don't know. I'm probably going to measure the door. I don't want to put the door flat on the ground, so I'm going to put maybe some pieces of flooring under it or something to shim it up a little bit. But I think I'm going to measure from the ceiling to the top of the door, when the door's over there, and kind of box out just above the door and see how that goes. I'll do a section right above the door, a square, and then once I have the door in place, then I'll finish this other side. So we'll see how it goes. So I framed the top of the door. I forgot the door wasn't screwed in, and as I was doing it, the door fell down. Now it's got a nice hole. That's my hand. I'll have to fix that. It fell onto that chair. I'm glad it didn't hit that because it's expensive stuff. I'll fix it. It's not a big deal. All right. What's next? For today, I got one piece of plywood down, which is glued down with liquid nails. I got the entire wall framed out, and I got the door installed. I put some spackle on it too. So that's it for now. Tomorrow I'm probably going to throw down the rest of the plywood on the floor and throw down the laminate. I don't know, maybe. I'm not looking forward to doing the drywall. That's my least favorite thing. So I'm going to try and put that off for another day if I can. But that's it. And now I don't even know what I'm going to do. My garage is a complete mess. I still have to do my workout for the day. So we're going to clean all this stuff up, and then at 9:30 I have a meeting. So I need to get back onto my laptop to sit there for an hour and talk about who knows what. So that's going to be it for today. I will check back in tomorrow.